guys
very
think?
Cute. This is awesome. This is the best surprise of my Happy Meal.
Look at all that extra skin, though.
We should put.
Ow! No biting my chin.
Stop it.
I don't know. I think you got some pretty good teeth.
Stop it. There you go.
Look at this.
Oh, we should try it.
What is this? Look at me, this. You got little lasers.
Hey, Alex, let her come to me. Let her come to me.
She will. They're having a barbecue today, so Pete's brother Doug. Look at her legs.
You
Be
have.
a big girl.
You just have
Did
to.
you get a? What are you gonna do? Put a towel in the nanny?
Yeah, we're